Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable HD voice for your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. You have to start by open Backbeat application. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app and then you will see the same menu. And you cannot use the application on your iPhone because it's not available for iOS devices, because they remove this application from the App Store and Play Store. But on Android you can install it using browser. So now go to the settings at the right top, and right here we have HD voice, the first line. Tap at this line and you need to tap at the dot near to HD voice to enable it, and to disable it just select regular quality. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.